Today we're discussing the X-431 Torque. It's Launch's latest diagnostic scanner. It's based on the Android 7.1 operating system. It features Launch's advanced diagnostic technology, such as OE-level special functions, wide vehicle coverage, powerful diagnostic functions, and accurate test data. The Torque features one-click update, one-click full-service, all-system diagnostic scans. The Torque features the newest and latest industry design elements. The tablet is comfortable, featuring a slip-resistant rubber sleeve casing, and features high safety performance. Also helps with friction and anti-scratch. The kickstand can be rotated from 0 degrees to 100 degrees and used on a variety of surfaces. It can be raised, it can be hung, it can be used as a flat bracket support. The Torque has upgraded features such as hardware. It features a quad-core 1.4 GHz processor, a 7,000 milliamp battery, 10.1 HD display, 16 gig internal storage, 32 gig external storage, and a 5 megapixel camera. The Torque has 98% coverage of the market on most makes and models. The functions include full vehicle system scans, supports reading of codes, clearing of codes, reading data stream, actuations tests, and additional special functions. The Torque has also 16 special functions: headlight matching, bleeding of the ABS, registering of a battery, and more. Once connected to Wi-Fi, it features intelligence diagnosis, which supports quick reading of the vehicle information, such as the VIN or access to historical diagnostic records. Tech-to-Tech allows remote diagnostics between different locations via a good Wi-Fi signal, so that it is possible for a repair technician to diagnose vehicles miles apart. The Torque features include recording and playback through data stream. This helps to analyze faults that can be reproduced during driving to determine issues. The Torque supports one-click software update. Launch releases more than 2,000 versions of software each year, which includes a wider coverage for faster results. The history feature records the vehicles which have been previously diagnosed by other technicians on Launch tools. It allows for quick access to specific vehicles. If the end user has an issue during diagnosis, there is a diagnostic feedback feature which allows the user to send vehicle information to Launch engineers for them to review vehicle data or a communication issue. Experience the ease and feel the power. Thank you for watching, and please look for more Launch videos to come.